coi kia. Saya. All. Saya kuat. Phèn ai vậy? Mà lấy bằng ai? Kasih, lua, kolu. Tawa.
One, two, three. One, two, three. Oh my gosh. Go!
Raya. Coi mà vấp vai for rồi đúng không? Tụi yêu đúng lúng. I don't like that screaming. Nó cái này ngạ.
Dia. Ide yun.
That's what I want. That's voila.
Thì sao không xây cùng?
Ok.
Bà như bà ấy. Để lắp xe vô đi nào phải làm cù luôn. Ngay à, mà ngay à. Roof, roof,
Roof. We all graduate.
Đây đâu ạ?
Mày quên cái
Mom.
Daddy got both.
Wow, sao gì?
Yeah, so.
Yes, đua con.
I can't sit now. Mulai live out.
Đâu? Ai cũng có cả. Cô gây không? Yeah, tôi sẽ đưa gây. Tôi sẽ đưa gây các đua con. Yes, đua con.
Hey, bye. Raya, get the bag.
Hey, is that
Kasi, Lua, Kolu.
Dan, where's Clover? Wait, and wait. Lucy! Do again. And then. Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Right now.
Eh, vai cuidar com a fangaluang. A fangalua.
Pela câmera. É aquilo mais, né?
Como mui.
Silong bakuwa nga walu ko luwa kia. Lean, one more. Lean on mine. Hey.
Lean.
Oh.
One more. Yeah, silopa.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Since you are the auntie of all kids, the best one that they say, the okay one and the,
Oh my gosh.
but with a loving heart, no other auntie. So, what are your feelings today?
Oh my gosh, I can't explain.
Because you are the second mom to all of them.
Yeah. I'm so proud of them. Well, first to Arlene, she deserves everything.
Yeah.
She's been a reliable person, and she's really, and I'm really proud of her as a person, not just graduating from seminary, not from graduating from school, but as a person. She's very thoughtful, kind. She grew up to be a really good girl, like that anybody asks for. We can rely on her taking care of the kids, everything, the chores and everything. So we are so proud of. I'm really proud of her. And Arlene, You don't know how much I really appreciate having you as a niece, because we depend on you in everything. And I'm so proud of you as a person. And you grew up to be a really mature person. Without Jay, you still have a long way to go. Still immature, but hey, you better be mature now because you're graduating from school. And LJ, I'm proud of you. You made it with the high and the lows, the good and the bad. We still accept you as a kid that makes a lot of mistakes. So hopefully in the future, we still be here for you. The good and the bad and everything. I congratulate you both, and we'll still be the auntie that we're not gonna be changing for anything. Still gonna be the okay ones and tell you what you need to do. Need to do what's right, and you better do what's right. And a new chapter is starting, so we hope for the best for you, both of you. So that's it, and I'm so grateful for our families for coming together and celebrate with them of their milestone next first chapter of their lives to graduate. Thank you.
Kasih dua kon. Kasih dua kon.
That's mine.
Your phone?
Uy! That's mine. Meow, meow, meow. Paulo pun bunga ada Where's your guys' car? Mine. Over there. Oh, I mean like. Oh yeah.
Ali usau mia di sini ada saya ifu. Ada saya lihat ngef. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Kas lua gol.
Leo vou ver apoiar a Oi.
Jay, since we're waiting, I waited for your interview. How do you feel today? Jump. One more.
Give them more.
And you come in.
Then you wait for some more.
Mau đi. Nikki, ole luole appointment.
Ai mà nếu oi oi. One, two, three. Sao mo dapat dulu?
How? No, another one funny face.
Eh, oi fo mai kong. Jay.
Oi phải cân. Depois tu vaca. Ó filha, sao? Kanina so kaya cái này nữa ai.
Hi, silofa.
Yeah, I just
You just now notice?
Andy. Sang.
Full wa fa fa. Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Ole luo.
Oi.